How do I keep Python print from adding new lines or spaces? In Python, if I say, I get the letter H in a new line. If I say, I get the letter H and no new line. If I say, I get the letter H, a space, and the letter M. How can I prevent Python from printing the space? The print statements are different iterations of the same loop, so I can't just use the plus operator.
You need to call sys.stout.flash because otherwise it will hold the text in a buffer and you won't see it.
In Python 3, use to suppress the endline terminator, and to suppress the whitespace separator between items. See the documentation for print.
Greg is right, you can use sys.stout.write. Perhaps, though, you should consider refactoring your algorithm to accumulate a list of whichevers, and then
or use A+, i.e. just make sure all are concatenate-able objects.
This is